You wasted 2024. You wasted 2025 saying, I'll start from tomorrow. And if today you're still doing the same thing, just watching videos and changing nothing, then 2026 will be exactly the same. Same excuses, same endless scrolling, same version of you who lies awake at night, quietly disappointed in himself. And right now you're probably thinking, I want to change, but where do I even start? That's the real problem. Life doesn't change when you announce it. Life changes when you disappear and silently build your next version in the shadows. So let's understand how this process actually works. I'm dividing this into 3 parts. And remember this clearly. If the last step goes wrong, regret is guaranteed. Part 1. How to disappear. Number 1. Learn to keep your mouth shut. Your mouth betrays you more than anything else. We naturally share everything with friends, family, coworkers. From now on, you stop openly sharing your life with anyone. This will take discipline because breaking this habit is hard. You'll have to catch your thoughts and stop them before they leave your mouth. Number 2. Think only about yourself. To disappear, you must delete one thought from your mind. What will people think about me? The truth is, people are not thinking about you. The problem is, you think they are. And then you start living your life according to their imaginary opinions. From today, a new rule. Create an image of your ideal future self in your mind. And every day ask yourself, would that version of me be proud of today's actions? That opinion is 100% truth. The rest of the world's opinion is 0%. This is how you stop being a puppet and start taking control of your life. Number 3. Hide your plans. During transformation, your mind creates big, ambitious plans. You feel excited. You want to share them. Don't. Imagine this. Every time you tell someone your plan, your chance of making it real drops by 5%. If you truly believed that, you'd never speak. If you need advice, talk only to the exact expert you need. Reveal only what's necessary to gain knowledge. Nothing more. If you're still watching this video, comment, I choose to disappear in 2026. This challenges you publicly, and whenever you feel demotivated, seeing that comment will remind you of the promise you made to yourself. Number 4. Don't show your progress. Progress will happen, but don't show it off. No body transformation pictures. No flexing bank balances. Disappearing is only worth it when the transformation is complete. If you start flexing in the middle, your old ego wakes up and you fall straight back to square one. Number 5. Suffer in silence. Pain, failure, tears. Handle everything in the shadows. Ghost mode. Monk mode. This is hard. You'll get tired. You'll cry. You'll fall. The natural instinct is to call a friend, to seek sympathy from family. But in disappear mode, that's not allowed. Cry alone. Fix yourself alone. Recover alone. Because that pain is what converts you into a new version. Don't run from pain. Turn it into fuel. Part 2. Transformation. Working in the shadows. First, fix your target. What exactly do you want to transform into? Be clear. A better mindset, discipline, peace. Write it down. Stick it somewhere only you can see. Number 2. Rotate your entire life around the goal. Every waking hour should move you closer to it. Join skill classes. Block daily time. Do weekly progress checks. Break goals into monthly targets. Your life format should be simple. If this helps my goal, it stays. If it doesn't, it goes. Number 3. Reprogram your mind. Learn to love disappear mode. Learn to enjoy shadow work. At first, the quiet life will feel strange. No one watching, no appreciation. And then one day, you'll realize, reappearing isn't even necessary. You merge with the shadows. You become a mystery. And that's where you find peace. In places where appreciation never existed. Disappearing is not an escape. It's discipline. If you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.